Hi guys, please ignore the sound that you're gonna hear throughout this this clip. There's like a metal plank outside of my window and cars are driving over it. It's this annoying thing. But anyway, so I went to New York and I did vlog, but the vlog clips are kind of all over the place. It's really hard to vlog when you have a lot of other things going on. So I thought what I would do is I would kind of talk you through some of the things that maybe didn't quite make sense. And I also wanted to talk about my experience at IPSY Live, AKA Generation Beauty is what it was formerly known as. So that's why I went to New York. Well, one of the reasons I did some other business there, but that's the majority of the reason why I went. And it's this conference basically, or an event that's held every year across multiple cities. This is like my 4th or 5th Gen Beauty or IPSY event. As a lot of you know, I'm not a beauty creator. I'm actually a former beauty creator, but I'm still involved on the industry side of things quite a bit. And of course, I do feature beauty stuff on my channel sometimes. So anyway, let me explain what we did. We flew in, we had a 6 a.m. flight, got there at like 7:45, dropped our bags off at the hotel, went to get lunch in, it's Tribeca. I said it was almost Soho, which is Tribeca. So we were actually staying down in the financial district. I've never stayed that far in lower Manhattan, so that was a cool experience for me. And normally I stay in like Soho or, Midtown, like the super tourist area. So it was pretty cool staying in the financial district. Went and had breakfast in Tribeca, got some gluten-free pancakes, and then we just kind of spent the day walking around Soho, shopping a little bit. We went to Glossier, which was incredible, the flagship store. Like I said, I'm not a huge makeup person, but I am a business person, and going to that store lit a fire under me from a business perspective, because first of all, it felt like we were walking into some secret society. I was like, are we in the right place? Because there was like a lady at the door and I felt like it was like the secret thing that I wasn't allowed to go into. Such a cool experience though, once you actually realize, yes, we're there, we're allowed in, it was cool. And it was just basically like one giant brand activation within a store. It was just like you shop, you told the people what you want, you checked out an iPad, and then there's other rooms that are just completely fun. It's like a little fun house and everything's all pastel and beautiful and just really, really interesting stuff. So like I said, I just think that if you have a brick and mortar business nowadays and you don't have some kind of a digital element, meaning an activation where people are gonna take photos and tag you on Instagram, which I did, and they replied to you within 5 minutes. If you don't have that digital strategy set up for your brick and mortar, you are not going to be successful, probably. We live in a digital age, so that was really cool. But anyway, so we did that, checked into our hotel. Luckily, they let us check in a little bit early. I'm gonna show you a hotel room tour in a minute because our hotel was incredible. And then I went to the event. So I went alone, didn't really know anyone who was going. I always know people, I've worked with them on campaigns a lot and through past jobs and stuff, but I didn't really have any friends that were going, so I just kind of went solo. So went to the event, and then Norris and I got pizza afterwards, walked around some more. And then the next day we just did a bunch of sightseeing around New York. Oh, we got a gluten-free bagel. That was the first thing we did in the morning. Was we went to I cannot say this for some reason. Tompkins Square Bagels. Got a gluten-free bagel and just kind of walked around. We walked to the Highline.
We literally have walked the width of Manhattan.
We're on our way to the Highline. We just got a bagel. What did you think of your first New York bagel?
It was good. It was larger than I expected, so I probably should have got something a little bit more standard.
Yeah.
I had a French toast bagel with cinnamon apple cream too.
It was a bit opulent. Mine was, I just got the plain gluten-free, but it was so good. So, on our way to the Highline.
See, there it is.
We're at the Highline. I just told the vlog we're at the Highline.
Oh, hey.
Taking a little rest because my feet, you guys know I have bad feet, so.
She couldn't walk.
Shut up. I'm the one who suggested we walk the 1.5 miles it took to get here. Is that how long it was? Yeah, 1.5 miles. Getting my steps in. It's been a very long day. and we're just kind of taking a chill pill to explore our hotel's patio. Yeah, it's really nice out here, really cute. And then I think I started vlogging, so I'm gonna pick up that and then I'm gonna come back and tell you how the event was. Hey guys, so I wanted to do a little hotel room tour. This is probably my favorite hotel that I've ever stayed at, to be honest with you, especially in New York, because if you've ever been to New York, you know you normally get a little tiny box if you're lucky. So yeah, I really love this hotel. I'm gonna put the name of it, not spawn, anything like that, but check it out, it's a good one. Okay, so first walk in and you get this big foyer closet here. Closet, you know, normal things, iron, safe, stuff like that. Bathroom, it's a little messy because we're checking out today, but this shower I'm really gonna miss. Has the, you know, pull out arm thing and the rain shower head. Nice big mirror, black and gold. Again, a little dirty. This is our fault. It's a nice little thing here. Big old mirror, and what I really like is these mirrors have like shelves, so I was putting my makeup here while I was getting ready and things like that. Super convenient. Swivel over. Look at this beautiful breakfast bar. This would sit like 6 people easily. You could probably have 8 people in this room total sitting. Honestly, somebody could sleep on there if they really needed to. Gourd marble table, marble-ish, probably not real marble. And then like a full little kitchen. So this is our trash, but this is a, oh, that's just a drawer, but this is dishwasher. This here is a microwave. We've got a range, a sink, everything you need, plates, toaster oven, salt and pepper, French press, everything you really need. I'm leaving this stuff for the housekeepers. This was all stuff from Gen Beauty that like I couldn't fit, and or stuff that I already had or just wasn't for me. Like there are some things that I just can't use because of the ingredients and things like that. Refrigerator. And then the trash pulls out in here. And then we have a desk with 2 chairs. So this is perfect. 2 people can work here. Nice little bookshelf. TV, dressers, lots of space. All these beautiful, what do you call these? Crystals? Is this a crystal?
Geode.
Geode. All these geodes, very nice. Nice little plant. Complimentary boyfriend, no, I'm just kidding. Yeah, and a bed, and then these little kind of floating nightstands, which are nice. They just like don't take up a ton of space. Then our view. So yeah, I've been super happy with this hotel. In addition to the actual hotel, you get access to, I feel like an ad, I swear I'm not being an ad, but there's access to the co-working space. This is like a co-working, co-living hotel space. It's a really interesting place. So there's, on the 2nd and 3rd floor, there's open co-working. So we have access to that, which is really nice. And yeah, I've been really happy with it here, honestly. I'm gonna sit down for a second and talk to you guys. Yeah, I haven't actually really talked to you guys at all, but I came here for Gen Beauty Creator Day. Well, I think they're calling it IPSY Live now. It was really interesting. They did it completely different this year. It's really fun. They're always so incredibly generous. I got so much stuff. I had to check a bag and pay for another carry-on. So that's interesting. I'm not going to do a full haul or anything, but maybe I'll show you guys when I get home a couple of my favorite products. Some trends that I saw as far as products were definitely the whole CBD thing, which is interesting. I'm not like against it, but I don't really know a lot about the benefits of it or anything. So I do have a few products that I might test out and see how they are, but that was definitely a big trend in the makeup stuff. I met a friend, I made a friend, which is always some of my favorite memories about those events, because when you're going alone, you either have the choice to make a friend or find people that you know, and I did see a lot of people I knew too, so that was really cool to meet some of them in real life. And yeah, then we went out for pizza. Then yesterday we just explored all day, and then we met up with one of my internet friends, which was pretty crazy. I've known her for years and years and years, and we've never met. She happened to be here vacationing, so we went to this like ping pong bar with her, and then today we went to a gluten-free bakery. So it's just been kind of a whirlwind trip, and that's why I haven't really vlogged a lot. I also really love this carpet. It's cute, little rug. So like I said in that clip, I had a really good time at the event. The brand activations were crazy in a good way this year. They were so beautiful. Everything was like Instagrammable. Again, going back to that Glossier thing, like you have to have that nowadays. And it gave me a lot of inspiration just from a branding and marketing perspective. But yeah, it was super nice. I really enjoyed myself. The stuff that we got is just, it's always unreal. I did film a quick clip over there in my living room, so I'm just gonna show you guys that really quick. I'll show you a couple of my favorite products. I mean, you guys can look on YouTube for the bag unbaggings. They're huge. I mean, so generous, super generous. So I'm not gonna show you every single thing that I got, but I'll just show you a couple of my favorite things. This is the palette that I'm wearing today. It's the Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. And it's just like, you know, such a me palette, super neutral and beautiful. So I do have that on today. You probably can't really tell because it's so bright, but they gave out 4 eyeshadow palettes this year, which was super generous. Normally they give out a lot of skincare and lip products and things like that. I haven't received a ton of eyeshadow palettes before, so from IPSY, so that was really nice. I'm excited about all of them, honestly. I tried this out yesterday. It's a facial mist. It's ginger kombucha. It was super nice, and I'm also super excited to try out this vitamin C serum that helps with dark spots and uneven tones. I get pimples right here all the time. I don't know what that means. Can somebody let me know? But I get dark spots every single time. There was also, this brand was here. They said it's a sister brand to Pure Lease, I want to say. But anyway, it's a BB and CC foundation, which is very similar to what I use every day. I use the IT Cosmetics one. So they shade matched me, and I'm really excited to try this out. Like I said, there was a ton of like CBD oil things. You guys know I'm actually very anti. For me personally, I'm not judgmental to other people, but I'm not into like any type of drugs or anything like that. And so I'm not into that craze per se, but I am open to trying it. It's not the psychoactive part of that plant, so I'm open to trying it. It's not like harmful, it's legal and everything. So it's interesting. I have been trying this out. It's the Cannabis Lip Balm, and it's actually so moisturizing. So I've really been liking that, and it smells good too. It doesn't smell like you would think it would smell. It smells very fruity. This was really nice too. It's a Manuka. It's Manuka honey and CBD. And it's supposed to be for like your skin. I've been using it as like a pain reliever. My feet were killing me from walking around in New York City, and so I was just like rubbing it on my feet, and it felt really nice. This is like my favorite product so far. It is a spray makeup remover, and you literally just spray it on your face, kind of let it sit for a second, and then rinse your face off with water, including your eye makeup and everything, and it takes it all off for you. Doesn't rip out your eyelashes, any of that stuff. And it really works, and I really love it. And they were super nice, so I'm like hooked on this one. It's really good. I'm also wearing one of these, the Balm Lippies. I'm wearing Sincere, so I love the Balm. They're always a great brand, so I always love a good nude lip. So yeah, I mean, just lots of good stuff. I mean, so much good stuff. So super grateful to try everything out. Yes, that's my experience. That's some of my favorite things, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was all over the place. If you enjoyed it, please thumbs up the video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and turn on bell notifications so you are notified every single time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.